You were in Japan for a couple days after I left. What'd you do?
I was sick.
Really?
The worst part is once I got home, I felt worse. Like I got worse now than I was my last few days in Japan.
You know, this was our copium the whole time when we were just like, oh, it's probably the dry air on the plane. But like, what if it was? What if like, you know, you did have like the dry air and stuff and it like kind of it made your lungs and stuff not so good.
I definitely think I got worse flying there and flying back than
Yeah,
it made me worse.
Yeah,
It really did.
I'm sorry.
Nah, don't be. I mean, hey, things happen. Shit happens. We're here. We did get to see idols. That was the good part.
Are you feeling better at least a little bit, or is it just the cough that's so bad?
It's the cough that's pretty bad. And also, the show goes on. Tonight, I'm recording some Patreon stuff. I was doing streams. Yesterday, I had a stream and I was doing fine. The last, maybe 20 minutes of my stream, I could feel my throat get kind of, I could feel myself. You know how frogs, they kind of talk like this?
Yeah.
I was kind of doing that with my throat.
The famous ways that frogs speak. They talk in English.
And jiggle their throat. Well, I know a frog that speaks English.
What?
I know a frog that speaks English.
You know a frog that speaks English? That's crazy.
Oh crazy
my God.
like a frog.
Yeah. Whoa, where'd that come from? That weird frog. Wow.
Where is the frog?
Invader. Intruder.
Invader frog.
Invader frog.